I want to tell you how I got the problem of random inability to copy paste on Samsung Internet certain websites to work. Um, I had seen a comment in an app on a Play Store that I wanted to try to download, but being stubborn, I didn't want to have to download another app. But I was considering it. I read through the comments, and one comment review or whatever said to download Google Translate, which I already had the app. But then it made me think, okay, there's those three bars at the top, or when you long press to copy translate, or to when you long press it to copy paste and it isn't working, but it still puts up the bar where you can. I can't show you the website due to copyright. Ex, ex, Extremely um, severe copyright things going on with YouTube right now. So, they won't let you post or pick any, you can't let your screen show anything that might be copyrighted. So I'm having to do it in the dark for you. But at the, at the, at the top of the app, there is right about here on the Samsung website, there's like three lines, little icon, and you can click that. It'll drop down a menu saying translate, or better yet, like there's a bar that's kind of round, and it'll say um, things like select all, share, and these kind of things. Well, you can't settle for select all because you want a certain portion of your text, not the whole entire thing from like beginning to end with every little detail. And on the websites are a lot of times text in white or invisible. They're made invisible, and when you do select all to read it, it will tell you all these things you can't even see. You'll start speaking things you can't even. That's because that text was placed in transparent text. So, I mean, that's easy to do in certain apps like Penly. You can change the color of the text to transparent. But anyway, so you can't so, um, share it because you're not able to like long press and drag it down to where you want it. So, but if you click in that bar, translate, it'll refer you to downloading the the translate um, data that you don't have, app or whatever that you don't have. It's not the same as the Google Translate app that literally just translates your speech into another language. This one is for text, and it'll tell you to do that. So then you do that, and then you go to select your text, and it doesn't work. It doesn't translate it. It just sits there doing nothing. So that's when you go back up to that three-lined icon at the top right-hand corner, and um, you click on translate, and then it'll have like a download, like an arrow for downloading, and then you hit that. Then just go back to the bar where you can select all or share, and then it'll say translate. Um, if you click it, it'll have another little drop down, so it's a bar. And then you click that right corner, and it'll drop down, and there'll be translate right in there. Click on translate, and now it'll work. you can, but the thing is you don't have to use it like that anymore. That's what I'm trying to share with you, is that just having done that much, just having made your Android know that you need to translate a language, not just on an app like Google Translate, but on a Samsung internet, now it goes back and it will let you copy paste, because it's got a little memory trigger installed now that says we need to be able to copy paste because we have to translate. And that's all you have to do, and just leave it in English, English to English. And if there's anything that pops up that shows you another language, be sure to select one of those as English, and it'll have a line, whether it's the Google Translate app or whether it's on the internet. It might show you on the internet, it might show you a line with like one language here and one language down here, and there'll be little box, a little square, a little square for each one that you can click to let it read. Like a little, not a square, it's like a little uh, sound icon or trumpet icon, and it'll let you click one of those to begin to read. After you click it, it turns into a square, which means stop playing. So but you don't have to use this anymore to use your native language to copy paste, because it fixes the problem. So I hope that this helps you. If you have questions or need further explanation, I'm always, usually readily available, even like within a couple of hours a lot of times, or less, much often less, to respond to a comment question. And you can just ask me through the comments things that you need help with. So I'm sorry that I couldn't give you an actual page demonstration due to these really strict YouTube policies that for copyrights now, but I don't know. I mean, it's so strict that I just don't. I don't. I've had a couple videos flagged for like ridiculous things that I would never have suspected, but I saw that I had flags and I was like, what in the world? It was just a flag. It wasn't a violation, but I had to go and like remove the sound, or you know I think I took one down because it would become moot point on account of I needed what the screen was showing to, show like a workaround for a problem, and it was pointless. So I thought I'll just redo the video a different way. So before I have to go to any of that trouble or end up getting flagged on these strict policies, I'm just doing it on a black screen using my cursor here from Pentastic. You can use your own photo, and I do a transparent background on my photo and make it really, you can select the size. So yeah, I don't even know if you can do like a Pentastic video or anything to show people how to do things, because I'm kind of puzzled. I'm thinking it's becoming so strict that everybody has to request the rights or permissions and all these things, and us non like major content creators are being shut down slowly but surely, because we just don't have the volume requirements or whatever it is that these places look for in content creators to be able to agree with them to let them share this the screen pictures. Like, I don't know. Yeah, it was just a loser video game that I was showing something on, and how to work around the ads, and Google or YouTube had it in their database, like everything. everything is like automatically copyrighted anymore. The minute you upload it, it's copyrighted. So my voice is copyrighted. This video is copyrighted. I mean, like, it's crazy, crazy anymore. Everybody everybody is so covetous now. Anyway, and there are some bad people out there who like steal voices to falsify credit card verifications and things like that. So I kind of understand. But I hope that this video has helped you. You know, you can always, like, as soon as you get the information from my video, I don't care if you stop playing. I'm not gaining anything by having somebody watch to the end or leave comments or likes. I'm just not one of those content uploaders that I do this strictly because I think this really helps me. Let me help somebody else. And a lot of the videos that I do about how to, like this right here, I saved to my own playlist entitled, you know, my how to, and I set it to private, and I can go to show myself how to do things I've forgotten how to do. So that might be something that you want to do. And you can always save my videos like I save other people's videos to my how-to playlist, and that way if they have instructions on how to do things, I add that and can remember how to do something. So anyway, yeah, this is the chicken's way of doing things so we don't get in trouble. But I hope that helps you. Like I said, I'm here to help. If you need to ask me questions, do it through the comments, because I don't know how to connect with users in any other way. It seems like YouTube doesn't allow that either. So that's the only reason why I say in the comments, not because I need algorithms. But thanks a lot. If you yeah, that's it.